Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got to sell this. It's a Honda CBR650F. Cracking little bikes these, really punchy engines, absolute bobby dazzlers around town. This one, no exception. Finished off in the silver and black there, it looks lovely. LED headlight you get on these, like I say, it's ABS, digital displays, yeah, really nice. Like I say, great for going around towns, or even having a blast out with your mates on a Sunday. Really good bikes. This one's a 2018 on an 18 plate. 1,868 miles it's done. Cracking little bikes. Exhaust tucked in right at the bottom. Show everything on there. And give it a start up after that. Purring like a cheeky kitten. Absolute crackers, like I say, really good around town, or even as a track bike, they're amazing. Anywho, enough of me going on about this absolute beauty. All you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers, thank you, merci.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.